Good morning everyone. I am at home today about to make a play-doh recipe. The kids' nan tagged me in a slow cooker play-doh recipe, but I actually don't have cream of tartar, so I'm going to try and do it without. And the one that I saw has lemon juice in it, so I'm just here picking a lemon. I don't know if you can see them. And then I'm gonna head back inside and try and attempt it in the slow cooker without the cream of tartar. So hopefully it works out. I really don't know how to tell if lemon's are ready, but this one looks good. It's if they come off easy, isn't it? No, that's not coming off easy. Let's try another one. Oh, yeah, that one came off really easily. Yeah, a little bit. Give it a wash and cut it up. Hey, what are you eating? What are you eating? You think this is a ball? It's not, it's a lemon. I don't think you'll like it. What are you doing? Where's your ball? Go get a ball. Don't mind the, excuse me, don't mind the really long grass. You can't really call it grass, weeds, I don't know what they are, but our lawnmower is broken, so I get really paranoid when I come out here because on this box here a snake lives in that, a really big snake, and sometimes it suns itself on the top, so when I come out here I'm like, freaks me out. But yeah, heading inside now and I'll get started on the play-doh. Hopefully it turns out. cooking, if that's what you want to call it, cooking. Yeah, creating. I'm going to sit here and read this book that my brother lent me. I am not very far into it. I'm only on page 24, but I'm going to sit and read that while Noah is asleep. Hopefully it is 10:28. Hopefully he sleeps for the next hour or so. Clean. Are you all clean? You got an apple. Are you all clean? Are you all clean? Does she smell good? Doesn't look at its greatest now, but it's still hot. But I think once it cools down and I mix it in properly, it'll look good. I do wish we had food colouring though, because it kind of looks weird while it's that colour, and the wholemeal. We have wholemeal flour as well, so that's why it looks brown, but it does feel good. I'll check back in later when it's cooled down. Okay, so I added a bit more flour because it was quite sticky. It's cooled down now, and I'm just going to add some lemon essence. And mix that in. Like I said, it is wholemeal flour, so it's going to have those grains, but we only had wholemeal, so. But it does feel really nice, and I like that it's warm. I don't know whether I would bother cooking it next time compared to just making it normally. I think it does give it a bit of a weird smell. That's why I added the lemon essential oils. But yeah, it does feel nice, and it does feel nice that it's warm, especially because it's a bit cold here today. But yeah, I'll see how the kids go with it. I'll have to get some food colouring next time to make it a bit more exciting, maybe some glitter. But I'm not going to add anything. I might take some out and then try and add stuff to the other half, just so Noah can play with it as well. But yeah, that is the end result. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me make Play-Doh, and I hope it inspires everyone to create something today. So we will see you next time. Like and subscribe if you're new, and yeah, we'll see you another time. Bye.